Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping and choosing the correct transfer sticker. This matters because fit determines adhesion and finish. Remove polish and dehydrate with alcohol, then push cuticles back so the sticker sits flat. Once done, match sticker size to each nail, trim 0.5 1 mm where necessary to avoid overlap. Use tweezers to lift the sticker from its backing and hold it by the edge. Make sure to keep the working surface clean and your hands steady, because early precision saves time later. Now apply the transfer sticker carefully. Align the center, then press outward toward the edges to reduce trapped air. Use a silicone tool or wooden cuticle pusher to burnish the design, moving from center to tip. This ensures full contact and crisp detail. If the sticker has water behind it, squeeze out moisture gently, then blot with tissue. Once smooth, trim excess with small scissors or file the edge with light upward strokes. Make sure not to lift the design while finishing the perimeter. Finish by sealing the sticker. Apply 2 thin coats of clear top coat, sealing the free edge to prevent lifting. If you use gel, cure each coat under the lamp. For small lifts, press the edge down, then add a tiny dot of thin top coat under the lift and smooth. This acts like adhesive. Once sealed, allow the full dry or cure time before touching water, and if peeling recurs, roughen the underside slightly and reapply for improved grip. This single fix resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.